Let me charge you.
As you can see, this was where the soldiers moved in.
Tell him.
Empty hall.
Empty hall.
One captain just came out from no angle. Call himself captain. What was that his name? Captain for follow. Is it Fala here? Be Fala what?
Empty hall.
Empty hall. Nothing is inside this hall. He chased all the soldiers out. This is Zamfara. One brigade camp. He came in, chased all the soldiers out, that they should go and sleep outside, where there are reptiles. As you can see now, these are soldiers' load, which he evacuated from the hall. Outside. Left an empty hall. And there are a lot of reptiles in this bush, in this outside. Some people were being stung by scorpion. These are soldiers living like refugees, which they are fighting for their father's land. Living like refugees. How do you expect the morale to be high? And this is the accommodation that they are staying. Just only 6 officers in this big